Anei ngā taraupoto o te pakihi o tēnei rangatahi Māori, ko tōna hiahia ki te hoko atu I ōna taraupoto ki te ao.
I think it's like great. This is my third market I've been to, and it's like great. Like the amount of people we're meeting, the sales we're making, it's great for us. Like also because the money is going towards our business, so it's a real big help.
He uri tēnei no Ngāti Maniapoto e kuraina ana ki te kura tuarua o Pūkōrero. Ko ia tētehi o ngā tini rangatahi o te rohe, ka whai wāhi ki te mā ki te tau hokohoko e whakanui ana I te wiki rangatahi.
We are SSKMR, all of our names. We didn't have a name, so we just conjoined our first letters of our names, and yeah. Oh, what it is, we take jeans, make them into jorts, because we've noticed in op shops, I love to op shop, so in op shops there's so many jeans that just don't get used, and we decided to create jorts, because jorts are kind of trending, you know.
I'm really proud of what they have come up with. The whole idea is about kaitiakitanga. So they are talking about preserving and sustainability.
Ko Sanjina Chandra te kai ako pakihi o te kura tuarua o Pūkōrero. E poho kere rū ana ia ki ana tauira katoa. Kua tai mai ki te YMCA nei ki te whakaatu I o rātou pakihi ki te hapuri.
I must say that we've got very talented young people in Pūkōrero. They have got a lot of talent and they're very capable to achieve great things in life. They must never underestimate their abilities, and I think that they just have to push and chase their passion and, just keep going for what they think they want to be one day.
I've seen quite a bit of people wearing it at school and outside of school, the gym, especially all our friends from school. They've been sharing around heaps, buying our shirts.
Kei te kura tuarua o Pūkōrero hoki a Sāwin, ko ia te tama Sanjina. Kei a ia tētahi pakihi kākahu ki tēnei mākete, he hoko tīhāte, pōtai hoki.
I've just been thinking the youth needs more help, and just to motivate and inspire them to focus on their goals and dreams, just take every opportunity they get and live it up.
So we are in the Young Enterprise Scheme, and it's basically a big challenge. And we have different challenges, different steps, and we've got to work our way to the top and hopefully win awards at the end of the year. We go into Taupo to pitch our ideas to the judges, and hopefully they like it.
Ko te tumanako o tēnei rangatahi, karere whānui tana Pākihi mai Pūkōrero ki Taupo o tirā ki ngā mā ki te tau hokohoko o Aotearoa. Te kawa Paura, Aukaha.
Ko te reo, te take.